Hey everyone, it's ASKA here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best results with magnetic gel polish by using the magnet the right way. You know that gorgeous sparkle and depth magnetic nails are known for? Sometimes, even when you use the magnet, it just doesn't turn out how you imagined. If that sounds familiar, don't worry. This video is all about how to move the magnet to get 5 beautiful designs. Once you learn the technique, you'll be able to create tons of different looks. Okay, let's get started. First, pick out your favorite magnetic gel polish. It can be in a bottle or a pot. Either way, the shimmer particles tend to settle at the bottom. To get an even application, gently stir the gel before using it. If it's in a bottle, roll it slowly between your palms. If it's in a pot, use a toothpick or spatula to stir slowly. The key is to mix gently. Too fast and you'll get bubbles in the gel. Once it's mixed, apply a thin first layer to the nail and cure it under the light. Then apply a thicker second coat. This is when we use the magnet to create the design. For this tutorial, we're starting from the point where the first coat is already cured. 1. Circle design. This one's super popular. You'll get an all-over shimmer with just a bit of a gap around the edge. Hold the silver side of the magnet up and slowly bring it close to the side of the nail. Once you're next to the nail, slightly tilt the magnet upward and hold. This pulls the shimmer to the side, leaving a deeper color on the opposite edge. Then quickly pull the magnet away. Repeat the same from the left, the top, and the bottom, always moving in slowly, then pulling away fast. For a rounder effect, try the same technique from diagonal angles too. The key is to think about how the magnet's force works. Square magnets give off magnetic energy from the sides like this. You'll use that invisible force to sweep the shimmer particles, kind of like you're brushing them with a broom. Even though you can't see the magnetic field, try to picture how it flows and guide the shimmer with that in mind. Always approach the nail slowly and lift the magnet quickly once the shimmer gathers. That's how you get the most beautiful result. 2. Gradient design. Start by holding the magnet a little above the nail and let it hover there. This will give you an even sparkle across the surface. Then, angle the magnet from the base of the nail and slowly move it toward the center, keeping it pointed toward you. When you reach the middle, lift the magnet straight up. That's it, a soft gradient shimmer. 3. Slant design. This one creates a diagonal line across the nail. There are two ways to do it. First, the simple way. Hold the magnet diagonally above the nail and slowly move it in. Once you're close, pause for 2 to 3 seconds, then lift straight up. This gives you a crisp, defined line. Second method. Hold the magnet vertically and move it slowly from the bottom right to the top left. This gives you a softer, more blended line. Fourth side design using a round magnet. With a round magnet, bring it in from the side and hover it around the middle of the nail for 2 to 3 seconds, then lift straight up. You'll get a glowing, sun-like shimmer. Round magnets can also push shimmer away, depending on how they're used. Try tapping the top right and bottom left of the nail to create an S-curve design. Five, French tip design. This one's a bit tricky, but looks amazing. Start by using a straight magnet to pull the shimmer down from the base of the nail to the tip. Angle it toward yourself and move slowly. Once the shimmer reaches the tip area, about 1/3 of the nail, pause for a few seconds, then lift. Now switch to a round magnet to shape the curve. Slowly move it from the base to the tip, then gently wiggle side to side to form the French line. Return the magnet to the base, then angle it diagonally from the tip and move side to side along the curve with the back of the magnet facing you. And that's it. A sparkly French tip. Bonus tip. If the shimmer disappears after too much magnet movement, don't panic. It's probably just sunk to the bottom. Lightly brush over the surface with your gel brush to bring it back. Magnetic gel is super forgiving, so take your time and redo as many times as needed. So, that's it for today's video. If your magnetic gel isn't working how you want it to, remember, move slowly when bringing the magnet close, visualize how the magnetic force works, and once the shimmer shows up, pull away fast. With these tips, you'll be creating perfect designs in no time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more nail tips. Bye.